My grandfather has been dead 15 years. His camcorder has footage dated after he died. We cleaned out his house in June. I took the camcorder home. I found the tape this past August. Last recorded April 17th. He died March 3rd. The footage showed his living room, his chair, his lamp, empty. Then someone walked slowly past the window. Outside. Same gate. Same cardigan. He had been buried in that cardigan 6 weeks before. I watched it twice. Same thing both times. The camcorder is in a box in my car. I have not driven that car in 4 months.